You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this AI assistant and artificial intelligence model owned by Alibaba. Originally, this is Chinese Alibaba Cloud. There are different pronunciations, so let's go through the Chinese pronunciation and how it's normally referred to in English. Qwen, Qwen, that's the Chinese pronunciation. Now, if you don't want to say Qwen AI, in English it's normally pronounced as Qwen. Now, I know some may say Qwen. It's usually in English simply referred to as Qwen. I think 3.6 plus model, download, chat, and Qwen, OpenAI, Qwen, Alibaba Max model. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.